packaging on this one is absolutely sensational. I love the look of it. I am just obsessed with this collection. If you couldn't tell, I am a big Wicked fan. It had to be covered in gold luster. It looks absolutely beautiful. Am I going to buy one? Yes, I am. Incredible. I am so excited to smell this. It's better than I could have imagined it, if I'm being honest. Like, the look of this is absolutely beautiful. It's Lord of Misrule scented. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video we're going to be going through all the spoilers and sneak peeks for the Lush x Wicked collaboration. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, this has been kind of rumoured about for a little while and we knew it was coming, but we weren't sure when, we weren't sure what we were getting, and honestly I just cannot wait to go through this with you. So without further ado, as always, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So as always, thank you so much to lush.sense on Instagram for all the photos and sneak peeks. So let's go through them all together. I am just so excited. So the first item in the range is the Pink Fizzes Good with Green Bath Bomb. This is going to retail for £6 and it's Alphaba / Glinda scented. Like, they have their own scent, absolutely insane. Apparently it's orris, rose, almond, sesame seed, heba wood and cedar wood and vanilla. Incredible. I am so excited to smell this. It looks beautiful. It's the most beautiful pink with this incredible green. It is giving like Glinda and Alphaba combo, and I'm just here for it. I absolutely love the look of this one. Then moving on to the next item, we have got the Emerald City soap, which is going to retail for £7. This one is going to be cola, lemon, lime, labdanum and cinnamon. Incredible combination of fragrances. I have no idea what this would smell like. I feel like this is something that I just cannot describe it, and I'm so here for it. The only thing with this one, is it going to be user friendly? Because I feel like with all the bumps and ridges on it, it's going to be quite hard to use, but I'm still very, very intrigued by the fragrance, and to be honest, I absolutely love the look of it. I probably will buy it anyway. The next item we have is the Alphaba's Hat Bath Bomb. This one is £7. Oh! It's Lord of Misrule scented. It is Lord of Misrule scented. Finley, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. Do you know what? I knew she was coming. Lord of Misrule, we have you. We have you in a bath bomb. Here we go. So if you guys didn't know, Lord of Misrule is one of my all-time favourite scents. However, for Halloween, they got rid of it. I'm still upset, to be honest with you. However, this one smells exactly the same, which is patchouli, black pepper and vanilla. I am going to buy 12. I don't even care. This looks incredible. Next up, moving on to the shower gel of the range. This is the Green Elixir shower gel. It's going to be £8.50 for 100 grams, £18 for 250 grams and £27 for the big 500. This one is Willow Herb, Litsi Cubea, Orange and Benzoin. I have no idea what this will smell like, but am I going to buy one? Yes, I am. This looks incredible. The packaging, the labelling, I love it. I honestly, it's better than I could have imagined it, if I'm being honest. Like, the look of this is absolutely beautiful, and I love a good shower gel, so I'm really excited about that one. Then we have Glinda's Tiara soap. This one I feel like might be a little bit more user friendly, and also the look of this, honestly, it's like pearlescent. That is absolutely beautiful. It's giving mermaid, it's giving beautiful like pearlescent mermaid vibes, and I'm here for it. I absolutely love that one. This one is £7 and it's golden pear scented. For you guys who have been asking for golden pear scented things, this is for you. So this is pear, cardamom, orange and sandalwood. It's a brand new product, obviously, but I'm here for it. It looks beautiful. 10 out of 10. Incredible. Then we have a bubble bar, and this is the Alphaba's Broomstick reusable bubble bar, which is going to be £10. This is Potion / Ruby Red Slipper scented, which is rose, tangerine and carnation. From what I remember, this is like a spicy, warming, very autumnal kind of fragrance, and to be honest, I actually really like it, so I'm excited about that one. It looks like it's going to be covered in gold luster, and I just absolutely love the look of it. I think the stick of the broomstick looks like it could be a cinnamon stick, maybe? I don't know. It looks cute. 10 out of 10. Love that. The next item we have in the range is the Shiz University Massage Bar. This one is £10 and it's Angel's Delight scented. I love that smell. I cannot even describe it to you without kind of saying jelly babies. Like a jelly baby, the inside of a jelly baby. Like, it smells exactly like that. I am shocked. I am shook. I want 12. It's tangerine and orange scented, but that just sounds kind of boring. Like, it is so good. Like, the smell is incredible. I'm not sure whether I said, but that's going to be £10 as well. And again, I just love the look of it. It looks beautiful. It looks amazing. I love the little Wicked logo on the side. Just... oh, I'm so excited. Then we have Glinda Upland Body Spray. This one is going to retail for £40, and the scent notes in this are rose, palmer rose, sesame seed, vanilla, almond pistachio, orris, and benzoin. I have a feeling that's going to be quite a sweet, very kind of like fruity kind of vibe. I'm here for it. I love it. Again, the packaging on this one is absolutely sensational. I love the look of it, and to be honest, there is nothing I can fault with this packaging, and there is nothing I can really fault with this collection so far. It looks amazing. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to smell it. It looks incredible. And then of course we had to have Elphaba's version. So this is the Elphaba Throp body spray, and again this one is going to retail for £40. And scent notes in this one, we've got Hibberwood, is it Hyberwood, not really sure, cedarwood, vanilla, lemon, pink pepper, and cardamom. What is pink pepper? That sounds incredible. Again, the packaging, I just cannot, like, I feel like I want one of each just for display purposes. Like, they look absolutely just so luxurious, and I love it. I'm here for it. 10 out of 10. The next item we have is the Wizard Bath Bomb. This one is going to retail for £8. Of course, it had to be covered in gold luster. It looks absolutely beautiful. This one is galbanum, is that how you pronounce it? Petitgrain, thyme, oak moss, geranium. You guys know how I feel about oak moss. Me and oak moss, we don't really mesh well. However, if you love an earthy scent, if you love a mossy kind of woodsy kind of vibe, that might be for you. And to be honest, I might like it in a combination with other ingredients. I don't know. So I am going to give it a smell anyway, and to be honest, it looks beautiful. Again, as I said, this one is going to be £8, and yeah, it looks stunning. I feel like this collection would not be complete without a magic wand bubble bar. So we have got the Glinda's Wand reusable bubble bar, which is going to be £10. This is Sweet Talk lip scrub scented, which is sweet wild orange and rose and vanilla. This looks beautiful. I feel like if I could imagine Glinda's magic wand, like, this is exactly how I would picture it, and it looks beautiful. Again, I am just obsessed with this collection. If you couldn't tell, I am a big Wicked fan. Like, I have seen the musical. It was absolutely phenomenal. If you can ever go and see the musical, highly recommend. Incredible. Will I be going and watching the film? Yes, I will. Absolutely love it. But again, this one is £10, and I just can't wait for it. So that is another product which I think I'm gonna have to get my hands on. And lastly, let's talk gift sets. So the first one we have is Glinda's Trunk, which is £35. This one is gonna have Pink Fizz's Good with Green bath bomb, Glinda's Tiara soap, and Glinda's Wand reusable bubble bar. Obviously, this is Glinda's gift. It looks absolutely beautiful. Can I just say the packaging of this incredible. Obviously, if you don't know the story behind Wicked, everyone goes to this school. It's like a boarding school, so the trunk is kind of giving that boarding school suitcase kind of vibe, and I absolutely love it. The next gift we have is Elphaba's Trunk, which is £35. This one is going to have the Emerald Green City Soap, Elphaba's Hat Bath Bomb, and Elphaba's Broomstick reusable bubble bar. Again, the vibe of this is incredible. If the packaging peanuts as well are pink and green, I'm here for it. It looks, I just cannot. I just simply cannot. It looks beautiful. And last but definitely not least, unfortunately there is no photo, but we're also going to be getting a pink and green Forever body spray gift set. The price is to be continued. We don't know what that one is, and it's going to have both of the body sprays in it. So if you're like me and you are dreaming for both body sprays, that gift could be for you. Honestly, this collection, I just can't. I just can't. So those are all of the products that are coming out for the Lush x Wicked collaboration. Honestly, I am just shook to my core. This collection is absolutely incredible. It has blown all of my expectations out of the water. I was thinking, oh, maybe we're gonna get like a bath bomb, a bubble bar, maybe like a shower gel, and that'd be it. But no, they have released a range. Like, this collection, could it be my favourite so far? It could be, it could be. Seeing as I didn't say it at the beginning, this collection is going to be available on the Lush app on the 1st of November and online on the 4th of November and in store from the 11th of November. So if you guys want to get your hands on it ASAP, make sure you download the app. It is completely free, and it means you can order it earlier, which is really exciting. So that is everything for this video. If you guys love these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you here. It is a great place to be. I love you so incredibly much, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.